so we're going to be preparing our yogurt with coconuts. I already removed it from the shells. So this is coconut meat, which we're going to be blending to start making our yogurt, and we're going to be using lemon. So guys, I chose this lemon purposely because it helps in collagen production, which helps you to nourish your skin and stay younger. So you guys can also choose some other starters. There is chili peppers, green chili pepper or red chili pepper. There is lemon and there is starch. And I'm also going to be using the coconut water, the water from the coconut, to blend it. I wouldn't be adding much water because I want my yogurt to be thick when I'm making it. So without wasting much other time, let's just blend our coconut and we'll be right back. Guys, I have blended my coconut. So this is how it's going to look when you blend it. So now I'm going to try to extract the milk from the coconut. Guys, are you seeing all this? I blended my coconuts again and added a little bit of water. So we're going to cook this whole milk on very low medium heat. Medium heat. Guys, can you see? So I have to stir this from time to time, because if you don't, it's going to start boiling. As you can see, it's already having lumps. So you keep stirring this, keep stirring it from time to time so it doesn't burn until it has come to almost a boil. Guys, can you see this? It's almost boiling, so we're going to take it down now. Guys, can you see the difference? Do you got the milk thickened up a little bit? So this is after cooking it on a low heat until it was almost boiling. So we're going to transfer this in another place and put our lemon. Washed lemon. I want to cut this so it can get enough juice. Okay. So I'm going to like keep this here, cover it up, and put it in a very warm place for 24 hours, and then we'll come back and see if our yogurt is done. So guys, this is exactly 24 hours since I kept my yogurt, and this is what we have. This is what it looks like. Wow, amazing. Let me take out this lemon. Guys, can you see this? This is all the probiotics that you need. Wow. Amazing. Tastes so nice. So I'm going to store this in the fridge and take it whenever I want. It could be like with a smoothie, or I can decide to just take it like that. Either way, this is amazing. So guys, I hope you're definitely going to try this, because this is the best. I'm not going to buy yogurt again in the market. Guys, that is all for today. I hope you guys are going to try this recipe at home. Please start making your own yogurt from today, because all those things in the market, in the grocery shops that you've been eating are not healthy for you. So try this recipe at home. It's easy. You guys saw me do it. and I think you can do it. So just follow the steps and all of that. And that is the end for today's video. See you next time. Bye.